right, day 5 on the 54 Chevy. Glass, everything's out. We have started sanding on this thing. Windshield wipers, they're gone. Took them out, bink, bink. But man, this is really nice in there. That channel is, yeah, wow, pretty impressive. I got a couple little things. Where am I at? There's an innie. Bink. Right there. And I got an Audi right there. There. And, but other than that, man, yeah, I'm really impressed with it. Yeah. There's another one right there. Another little one right there. Another little one. Looks like maybe, I don't know, there'd be a lot more if it was hail. Getting closer, but yeah, the glass was out. That was a chore. That rubber gasket was plastic gasket. It wasn't rubber. So, 54 Chevy, coming along, day 5.